if I told you that ducks in China are helping grow rice, cleaning fish ponds, and even living in climate-controlled smart farms? From traditional rice fields to AI-powered feeding systems, duck farming in China is not just farming, it's a technological revolution. Stick around, because what you're about to see is how ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science are feeding millions. And it all starts with a duck. China has been raising ducks for centuries, for meat, eggs, feathers, and even rice farming help. But now, duck farming here is being transformed by science and technology. Let's explore how it works, from egg to plate. In rural areas, ducks are raised in rice paddies and fish ponds. In fish duck systems, ducks eat insects and algae, keeping water clean. In rice duck farms, they control pests and fertilize the soil with droppings. They even roam freely in fields, rivers, and ponds, eating naturally. This leads to healthier ducks and better tasting meat. Traditionally, ducks mate naturally, and mother ducks hatch the eggs. They're kept in shelters made from bamboo and straw, simple but effective. These methods are low cost and environmentally friendly. Technology has changed everything. Farms now use incubators, automatic feeders, climate controls, and even robot cleaners. It starts with egg selection and cleaning. Then, the eggs are placed in smart incubators where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. Eggs are turned automatically. After 10 days, light testing, called candling, checks if embryos are growing. Unfertilized or dead eggs are removed. After 25 days, ducklings hatch. They're vaccinated immediately to protect against diseases like duck hepatitis and avian flu. Automated feeders give ducks the right food at the right time. Climate-controlled housing keeps ducks warm or cool as needed. Sensors monitor duck health and behavior, alerting farmers to any issues instantly. All of this increases growth and reduces sickness. Processing. Ducks go through automated systems. They're stunned humanely, then processed by machines to ensure hygiene and efficiency. Cold chain logistics keep the meat fresh from farm to market. Traceability systems follow every duck from birth to delivery, ensuring food safety. Once processed, duck meat becomes the heart of many legendary Chinese dishes. Peking duck is the most iconic. Roasted until the skin is crisp and golden. Then carved thin and wrapped in pancakes with scallions and sweet sauce. In Sichuan, duck is cooked in spicy broths or dry fried with chilies and peppercorns. Modern duck farming in China is a powerful blend of old traditions and new technology. At Beast Farming, we bring you stories that show how innovation is transforming the way the world grows food. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights from the future of farming. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.